Look at that, there's your storage. And this is gonna be a hotel room tour. Once and for all at the Doubletree by Hilton by the resort in Anaheim, California. Vending ice machine is right over there. But this room is 743. And there you go. And once again, there's your people. And one more thing for the private lock. One more thing for the private lock. And once and for all, it will be once and for all red. And there you go. Unlike La Quinta Inn and Suites, is your evacuation plan. And it does have a pool. I'm not gonna lie that already. It does have a pool, but and even has a fitness center too on the first floor though. But we're gonna go over to whatever this is. There's your LG flat screen TV. Let me leave it here. Judging by the looks of it, the mattress is pretty nice. But, and unlike most Hiltons, it's like this. But yeah, you know, you can tell the difference between this and this. Looks exactly like that. I'm not joking. But yes, here's your light switch. Turn on this. And it does have well, usually it does have an AC, but you can see a view far away. Look at that. Not joking. But yeah, there's your stuffed drawers right there. And there you go. Nice. And I think there's nothing in there. Oh, there is a safe. Let's just demonstrate the safe. But it doesn't seem to work. It costs a lot of money. It's your sink, bicolor sink. There's your body lotion, and there's your light switch to turn on this. And there's something going, and looking at it, there's your light right there, just to turn on that fan right there, and just to connect to there. Oh, it doesn't. Okay. There's your lock right there, and the commode is total. And why don't we demonstrate it? There's everything. There's everything. So hold on. How I pushed it? That's weird. How I push this? I think it's because, you know, it's no use. So okay, there you have it. I think it's gonna be broken soon, but I'm not probably going to demonstrate it because it's too much, and I just don't want to, you know what I'm doing in the past lifetime. It's gonna, you know, it's gonna be a mess. So, but there you have it. And I don't know why there's a trash can here. That's weird. All right. But yeah, there's also, you know, that's everything. Lounge, whatever. This is the same thing. LG flat screen TV, and you know, it's your microwave and your freezer. Look at that. Coffee maker. And there you go. And this one is also the same too. And there's happy hair nails. And by the judging of this, yeah, really cool. And I forgot to say, yeah, there's your lamp. And yeah, and I hope you all enjoy my room tour. I really like this place. I'm not joking, I really like this place. It's my first ever been on a Doubletree by Hilton in Anaheim, California. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. And if you really like this video and see more content, make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell, and that's it. And there's your, well, how I turn this, but that works for me. But make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell, and that way you don't stay notified every time I post a video of this. And yeah, hope you all enjoy it. And we stayed this for like, I don't know, 2 days. I'm not sure. You know, I'll think about it. That's it.